Assalamu alaikum class 7. Hope you all are fine, safe at your home. Now we have chapter number 2, square and square roots. In the first question of this chapter, they are telling me about find by factors the positive square roots. We find the positive square roots by the method of factors. You all know about that, how we find factors, multiples, etc. But in this question they are telling with us about how find the positive square roots by factor method. So we use factor method. Then firstly we find the LCM of 529. 529 is not divisible by 2. 529 is not divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 18, 19, 20, not by 21, not by 22. In the last, 529 is divisible by 23. Then firstly we CM the 529. 23 23s are 529. 23 23s are 529, and the last is 23 ones are 23. Because 23 is not come in the table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and etc etc. So now we have the factors of 529, and the factors of 529 is 23 by 23. So firstly we write the value of 529 in the square root. 23 multiply 23. When we curve the square root and the square value, we write the value that's method. So this square is cut by this square, and now we have only 23. So the answer of 529 is equal to 23 answer. That is very easy method. Then you find the positive square roots. This is very easy. So now class, we have question number 2. Find the smallest whole number by which 512 must be multiplied in order to give a perfect square. In this question we find the perfect square. 512 is not a perfect square, and we need to find perfect square. In the last question we also find the perfect square and the perfect square by factor method, and the answer is 23. Perfect square of 529 is 23. Now we solve 512 and answer of perfect square. Firstly we LCM 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 6 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Then 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Now we write the perfect square. 2 multiply 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 2, and then multiply 2. Here is 9 2s, and we write 9 2s here. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. This 2 is incomplete, so we write required number 2 and made that pair. If we have not perfect square, so we write the required number of a pair. For example, the required number is 2, so we write here required number and we write 2 is here. So that's mean we find the perfect square. So now answer is 512 multiplied 2 is equal to 1024. 1024 is your perfect square answer. Question number 3 is also same as the method of question number 2. We also find the perfect square by division method. This is very easy, not any Curie hope. So here is question number 1 and here is question number 2. Hope you all understand this lecture very well. If you have any query, kindly check video again and then tell in online classes. Allah Hafiz.